Did you miss Mommy? Mommy misses you. Mommy missed you. Yes, she did. Yes, she did.
Miss CrayCray, is that chocolate on your lip?
Chocolate? Chocolate on my lip? Of course not. Okay, class. Now that we're done with our math, and you guys did such a good job, I have a treat. We have...
Oh, can I have one? Please, please, please.
Well, you guys are going to get these cookies and donuts, but not to eat.
Not to eat.
That's right. Today, we're going to continue our cooking lessons. I mean, I know that other chef came and she was supposed to be really good and she was on Top Chef and Master Chef, but I've decided I'm going to be your new chef slime teacher. We're going to use these donuts and cookies for inspiration on how to make faux food slime.
But it looks so delicious. This one is...
Sorry, girls. You have to have a little patience. I mean, I know you're little kids and you're probably hungry, things like that. But I can tell you from experience as an adult, you have to learn how to control those impulses that make you want to just... You just have to be behaved. You want to be like me when you grow up. A true slime master rejects sweets. The first thing we're going to be making today are these donuts. As you can see, we have a chocolate glazed donut and a white glazed donut. And they both have this really, really pretty confetti on top. Ellie, you're going to recreate the chocolate donut, and Naya, you're going to recreate the vanilla donut. And this is part of your final grade for the cooking class. So I hope you're ready to become master slime chefs.
Okay, I think we can do it.
Ellie, to make this chocolate donut, take a look at it, study it, examine it. No, really examine it. Get close. Super close. Not that close. Take a look. Look at the bottom. Look at the top. Look all over. Naya, you examine this vanilla donut. Take a look at it. Examine it. Really get a good idea. Smell it. Look how beautiful it is. We definitely don't want to eat these. We want to use them for inspiration. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. You guys are going to need to make your base, but we're going to make one base for both of you because as you can see, the donuts all look the same on the bottom. They're just a basic glazed brown donut. So let's go ahead and make a basic glaze. And Ellie, I'm going to have you make the dough for this. When we get to the cookies, now you're going to make the cookie dough.
Yay, I get cookie dough.
So the first thing we're going to need is white glue. So I'm going to pour this in for you, Ellie. As part of the lesson, I want you to tell me which food colors do we need to incorporate into our glue to get the perfect golden donut.
Is it brown?
Brown is a color that's in there, but we need another color too. You guys in the comments, what's the other color that we need to get that perfect golden brown? Let me know. Yes, Naya?
Is it yellow?
That's right. Yellow's gonna help give us that really nice golden crust. All flaky and doughy and buttery and soft and hot out the oven. A little bit of crunch, a little bit of goo. Oh, I love donuts. All right, let me grab this yellow. All right, and I have my yellow, but it doesn't look like my brown's in here. Girls, I'll be right back. I need to grab the brown. And, I know what you're thinking. That you're gonna try to sneak these treats while I'm gone? I'm taking them with me. I'll be right back. I don't think they'll know if I just take a little bit off the bottom. Yeah. Get a little bit of glaze. Go. Okay, now what did I come in here for? Oh yeah, the brown. Okay, does it look like I ate any? Does it look good? Oh, okay, I think it looks good. I don't think they're gonna know. It was so good. Okay, students, remember, self-control is the key to becoming a slime master chef.
Miss CrayCray, is that chocolate on your lip?
Chocolate? Chocolate on my lip? Of course not. That's just... I went to the bathroom earlier and didn't wipe my hands good. Always wash your hands after using the restroom. You never know what can end up on your lip. Enough with that nonsense. So, what I want you to do is put in 2 drops of brown. Gentle. Not quite 2 drops. Maybe you can do better with this one. How about 2 drops of yellow? All right, so now you can get to mixing.
Let's make it gold shiny.
Keep mixing!
I'm surprised to hear.
I think we need another drop of brown like I suggested earlier. Okay, mix that brown in. Ooh, now we're cooking with gas or slime.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna add some activator. And now mix.
Delicious.
Okay, Ellie, I think that dough looks good. Let's take a look. Does this look like a donut to you? I think it looks like the perfect donut. Slime donut, that is. So, we're gonna let this dough rest, and it's now time to make your vanilla and chocolate icing. Here's a bowl for you and a bowl for you. Now, to make the icing, we definitely want to use white glue. So let me pour white glue for both of you. Ellie, can you tell me what color do we need to put in your glue to make your icing?
Brown.
That's right. And Naya, what color do we need to put in your glue to make your vanilla icing?
Well, because my icing's white, we don't need to put anything.
That was a trick question and you got it right. Did you guys get it right in the comments? Let me know. Okay, so Ellie, put in a few drops of your brown. Mix that up and see if the color's perfect. I don't think brown is going to be enough for this. I think we also need some black. That's weird. My black color isn't up here. Oh, I think it's in my storage closet. I'll be right back, girls. I think I'll take these with me. I wouldn't want you girls to be tempted into sneaking a little bite. Remember, a slime master chef has lots of self-control. And remember, girls, self-control is the key to success. Oh, I missed you. I could smell you from afar. Did you miss Mommy? Mommy misses you. Mommy missed you. Yes, she did. Yes, she did. Oh, you are a new one. What's that you say? You miss me too? Okay, which one do I want?
No, you've been a naughty donut. Oh, that looks a little. Clean that up. All right, what did I come in here for? Oh, the black. Oh, here it is, the black. No one will ever know.
Okay, girls, I got everything.
Teacher,
I got the black. Yes.
there's something black in your teeth and it makes you look really weird.
Something in my teeth. Huh. Did I get it?
No, it's not chocolate.
Chocolate? Whatever makes you think I have chocolate in my teeth. Is that better? You know, it was the craziest story. In the pantry, let me tell you, there was a roach running around. I tried to catch him, and the craziest thing, as he ran, and just as I caught him, he ran onto my face and into my teeth, and I had to smash him like that. And it was just a little cockroach meat on my teeth.
Are you serious? Gross.
It's not chocolate you're seeing, it's leftover roach. Ellie, I want you to put one teeny, put a little drop or you'll ruin your chocolate and fail slime class. Very good. See how you're giving a little depth to that chocolate. Ooh, perfect dark chocolate. So now let's put in a little bit of this. And why don't you go ahead and mix up your chocolate? And Naya, I'm going to go ahead and put some of this activator in your frosting. Oh, but Tia, you don't have a mixing utensil. I'll be right back to get one.
But there's some over there.
Oh, I see that there is. Let me check this out. Oh, there are some spoons in here. Utensils. But you know what? They're filthy dirty. Yes. I must go and wash these off. I'll be back.
Wait.
Ooh, Mother's missed you. Oh, let's finish where we left off, shall we, my love?
Miss CrayCray, are you okay?
I have the hiccups. Oh no, they're gonna catch it. Oh, I'm gonna fix it. I know exactly how to fix this. Let's put a little paper towel in there. They won't ever know the difference. There we go. Oh, you can say it. Wash this off. That is new. Let's have one more bite. Oh. Let's tuck it in. No one will ever notice. Time for class. Okay, class. I have it.
Miss CrayCray,
Yes?
what's wrong with your face?
What do you mean, what's wrong with my face? I think I have a very lovely face, thank you.
There's something in your mouth.
No, there's not. There's something in your nose.
Should have finished that last bite sooner. You have something in your nose? You have something in your ears? I had something in my mouth? It's all the same thing. All right, Maya, time to mix your slime. All right, girls, I think these are good frostings. So let's go ahead and split this dough so you two can make donuts. Donut meat for you and donut meat for you. Shape it into a donut. Remember, this is part of your final grade. Treat it just like dough. You want to roll it and knead it and get it really nice. Okay, time to form your donut. Ellie, here is your chocolate for you to knead and get it nice and ready. All right, Naya, now it's time for you to knead yours. Okay, Ellie, I really like how that's coming together. Let's go ahead and get your sprinkles. You want to come pick some out?
Yes.
Okay. So we have these foam beads. We also have these pretty beads.
Miss CrayCray, can I please look at the donuts again so I can see how I want to design mine?
I don't know, Ellie. I think I like... yeah, sure. I don't know. This one has a brighter color and this one's a little more poppy. What do you think, Ellie? I think this is a perfect color.
Let's see.
Sure. Maybe we should open it.
Miss CrayCray? Excuse me, Miss CrayCray? Why does it look like someone went crazy on eating this donut?
Ellie, do you have an explanation for this?
What? I didn't eat it. Did you, Miss CrayCray?
What? My purse. Do you have an explanation for this?
Are you seriously asking your Tiana boys if you have an explanation for this?
Well, it's a long story. You caught me. I ate them. I couldn't help it. I didn't eat breakfast and I've been trying to fast, so I can look good for bikini season, and I've been on a diet and I'm under so much stress. Yeah, it's just been a really hard time. Really hard time.
Miss CrayCray, if you wanted to eat them, you just couldn't have just ate them, not make us lie.
I was trying to set a good example for you kids. I mean, when it comes to self-control, I'm the worst slime master that there is. I used to always get failing marks on that in school. I thought if I pretended to have self-control, you guys would learn better.
Miss CrayCray, we like you. That's the way you are. You don't have to make something up.
You girls are the best students ever! I know they're kind of ugly and half-eaten, but would you girls like some?
Yay!
Now girls, let's go finish our slime donuts.
Yay!
So the only thing you need to add to your donuts now are some sprinkles, if I can get the package open. All right, here we go, Ellie. Here's some sprinkles for you, and some sprinkles for you. All right, girls. You girls did a great job on your donuts.
and you did a great job of teaching me a lesson. I think today you girls get an A and I get a C minus. Congratulations.
We get A+. We have more donuts
And cookies. Why do they all notice when I get anything new for myself?
Pants kind of look like
My husband notices. They notice.
I love your skin. It's so shiny. Your pants, I mean. They're so shiny. Your skin. Your pants.
And my face looks like I have lice or ticks that buried underneath and cause bumps.
I was gonna say your face kind of looks like, like Gordon Ramsay.
My face like Gordon Ramsay. I look like Gordon Ramsay.
Isn't Gordon Ramsay a goal?
Oh, you filming me? Sorry. Well,
I should have got the door anyways. I thought you were gonna easily get it.
there's something in my teeth, but we're gonna make it work. Hey!
I can see it.
Shut it. It's all up in there.
Yeah, like it's all up in the middle of your tooth, like over here.
Are you seriously asking your Tiana boys if you have an exclamation for this?
An exclamation for this. Well,
You better have an exclamation, teacher.
all right.
Yeah, Mommy, I know what some activator is. We have to go all the way upstairs, go into the attic, climb a ladder, and climb another ladder, and another ladder. Then we have to jump on another ladder, climb up to this closet, push through all the clothes, open this secret door, but before we can do that, we have to find a key to the secret door. Then we open the secret door, then we go out, and then we go into your universe. Then we have to run 1,000,000 miles. Then we have to go to a sea castle. It's back over here. And then we finally found the activator. And
I don't think it's worth it.